So in this kind of problem, you have to simplify the equation. So cross multiply 7 times y, which is 7y, and then 4 times quantity y plus 1. Then after that, you have to simplify 4 times y, that is 4y, and then plus 4 times 1 is 4. Then move 4y to the left side, so it will become 7y minus 4y less than or equal to 4. Then 7y minus 4y is 3y less than or equal to 4. Then all you have to do is divide both sides by 3 to get the value of y. So y is less than or equal to 1 and 1 over 3. Then after that, if you're going to plot it into the number line, horizontal number line, so draw your horizontal line, put 0 in the middle, just for example. So put 0 in the middle, and then 1 and 1 over 3 on the right, and then negative 1 and 1 over 3 on the left side of 0. Then draw your shaded circle on top of 1 and 1 over 3, and the direction will go to the left because the value of y is less than or equal to 1 and 1 over 3. That's all.